Make every trip smoother with 20 amazing travel gadgets on Amazon, designed to save space, time, and stress. From smart organizers and portable tech to clever travel essentials, these must-have gadgets keep you comfortable and prepared wherever you go. Perfect for flights, road trips, and adventures worldwide. Stay till the end. The final picks are next level, game-changing travel essentials you'll never travel without again. Number 1. UNINGOPI Portable Flosser. The UNINGOPI Portable Water Flosser is a compact and powerful solution for maintaining oral hygiene anywhere. Designed for travelers and busy users, it effectively removes plaque, food debris, and bacteria from hard-to-reach areas between teeth and gums. Its rechargeable battery, multiple pressure modes, and leak-proof water tank make it convenient for daily use. Lightweight and easy to pack, this water flosser is ideal for home, office, or travel, helping keep your smile fresh and healthy. Number 2. COSLUS Mini Water Flosser. The COSLUS Mini Water Flosser delivers strong cleaning performance in a small, travel-friendly design. It features adjustable pressure settings to suit sensitive gums while still providing deep cleaning between teeth and along the gum line. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery and detachable water tank, it's easy to use and maintain. Perfect for frequent travelers or small bathrooms, this mini flosser ensures professional-level oral care wherever you go. Number 3. JefDiee Inflatable Footrest Pillow. The JefDiee Inflatable Footrest Pillow is designed to improve comfort during long flights, car rides, or office use. It helps elevate your legs, reduce swelling, and improve circulation while sitting for extended periods. The adjustable height design allows customized support, and the soft, durable material ensures comfort. Lightweight and easy to inflate or deflate, it fits perfectly in carry-on luggage, making it a must-have travel comfort essential. Number 4. TushGuard Seat Cushion. The TushGuard Seat Cushion provides ergonomic support for long hours of sitting at work, while traveling, or during driving. Made with high-density memory foam, it evenly distributes weight and relieves pressure on the tailbone, hips, and lower back. Its non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place, while the breathable cover prevents heat buildup. Ideal for office chairs, car seats, and wheelchairs, it enhances posture and sitting comfort all day. Number 5. Portable Door Lock and Door Stop. This portable door lock and door stop adds an extra layer of security and privacy when staying in hotels, rentals, or dorms. Easy to install without tools, it prevents doors from being opened from the outside, even with a key. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for solo travelers and families alike. Whether you're sleeping, working, or resting, this travel safety gadget provides peace of mind wherever you go. Number 6. Airplane Pockets. Airplane Accessories. Airplane pockets are smart travel accessories that create extra storage space on airplane tray tables. Designed with multiple compartments, they keep essentials like phones, headphones, snacks, and passports neatly organized and within reach. Made from lightweight, durable material, they're easy to attach and remove. These pockets help reduce clutter, improve comfort, and make long flights more enjoyable, especially for frequent flyers and organized travelers. Number 7. PFEYRPK Lightweight Compression. PFEYRPK Lightweight Compression Wear is designed to improve circulation and reduce fatigue during travel, workouts, or long workdays. The breathable, stretchable fabric offers gentle compression without restricting movement, helping minimize swelling and muscle soreness. Ideal for flights, standing jobs, or recovery periods, it provides comfort and support throughout the day. Lightweight and easy to wear under regular clothing, it's a practical addition to any active or travel lifestyle. Number 8. Jogrytece Cruise Travel Essentials. Jogrytece Cruise Travel Essentials are thoughtfully designed to meet cruise ship travel requirements while maximizing convenience. These accessories help organize belongings, save space, and improve cabin comfort. From magnetic hooks to compact organizers, each item is lightweight, durable, and easy to pack. Perfect for first-time or frequent cruisers, these essentials simplify travel planning and enhance your onboard experience by keeping everything tidy and accessible. Number 9. Anourney 8x21 Mini Compact Binoculars. The Anourney 8x21 Mini Compact Binoculars offer clear, sharp viewing in a pocket-sized design. Ideal for travel, sightseeing, concerts, birdwatching, and sports events, they provide excellent magnification with minimal bulk. The durable body and easy focus system make them beginner-friendly and reliable. Lightweight and portable, these binoculars fit easily into bags or pockets, making them a great companion for outdoor adventures and everyday exploration. Number 10. Hidden Camera Detector. A hidden camera detector helps protect your privacy by detecting concealed cameras in hotels, rentals, offices, and public spaces. Using infrared scanning and signal detection technology, it quickly identifies suspicious devices. Compact and easy to carry, it's perfect for travelers and privacy-conscious users. Simple one-button operation makes it user-friendly, while its rechargeable battery ensures reliability. This device offers peace of mind by helping you stay safe and secure anywhere. Number 11. LOVEVOOK Travel Backpack. The LOVEVOOK Travel Backpack combines style, durability, and organization for travelers on the go. With multiple compartments and pockets, it easily holds laptops, tablets, clothes, and accessories. Water-resistant materials protect belongings from unexpected weather, while padded straps ensure comfortable carrying even on long trips. Perfect for commuting, flights, or weekend getaways, this backpack offers both practicality and fashion. Men and women who value convenience, protection, and smart organization will love how this backpack simplifies travel while keeping essentials accessible. Number 12. Cushion Lab Patented Pressure Relief Seat. The Cushion Lab Pressure Relief Seat. The Cushion Lab Pressure Relief Seat is designed to reduce pressure on the tailbone and lower back during long sitting sessions. Made with high-density memory foam and a patented ergonomic design, it evenly distributes weight to improve posture and comfort. Ideal for office chairs, car seats, or wheelchairs, it's perfect for men and women who sit for extended periods. Lightweight, portable, and durable, this cushion provides effective relief from discomfort, making everyday sitting more comfortable and healthier. Number 13. Everlasting Comfort. The original Everlasting Comfort. The original seat cushion combines premium memory foam with ergonomic design for ultimate support. It relieves tailbone, hip, and lower back pain while promoting proper posture. Non-slit bottom ensures stability on all types of chairs, and the removable cover makes cleaning easy. Men and women who work long hours at desks, travel frequently, or need extra seating support will appreciate its durable, comfortable design. Affordable and highly rated, it's a practical solution for pain relief and improved comfort at home, office, or on the road. Number 14. Renphi Mini Thermal Massage Gun. The Renphi Mini Thermal Massage Gun delivers portable, on-the-go muscle relief and relaxation. Lightweight yet powerful, it features multiple speed settings and a rechargeable battery for convenient use anytime. Ideal for travelers, athletes, and office workers, it targets sore muscles and relieves tension quickly. Compact and easy to carry, it fits in backpacks or luggage for travel, workouts, or daily stress relief. Men and women seeking effective handheld massage therapy will enjoy this practical, portable device for fast recovery and relaxation. Number 15. Nessugar Steamer for Clothes. The Nessugar Clothes Steamer is a compact and efficient way to remove wrinkles, odors, and creases from garments. With fast heating and continuous steam, it works on delicate fabrics and heavy clothing alike. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it fits easily in suitcases or carry-on luggage. Perfect for business travelers, students, or anyone who wants polished clothing quickly, it eliminates the need for ironing. Men and women will appreciate the convenience, portability, and ease of use this steamer provides for wrinkle-free clothes anywhere. Number 16. Beamster 15-Pack Travel Vacuum Storage Bags. Beamster Travel Vacuum Storage Bags maximize packing space for clothes, bedding, and accessories. These airtight bags compress items efficiently, protecting them from moisture, dust, and odors. Perfect for frequent travelers, campers, or those storing seasonal clothing, they simplify organization while saving suitcase space. Durable and reusable, they include easy-to-use valves for fast vacuuming. Men and women looking to optimize packing, keep belongings safe, and reduce luggage bulk will find these storage bags an essential travel companion. Number 17. ET & Wolf Air 3 Air Pump for Inflatables. The ET & Wolf Air 3 Air Pump makes inflating air mattresses, pool toys, and travel gear fast and effortless. Compact and lightweight, it's ideal for home, camping, or road trips. Multiple nozzle attachments fit various inflatable items, ensuring versatility. Easy to use with quick inflation and deflation modes. It saves time and effort. Men and women traveling with inflatables will appreciate how this pump simplifies setup and storage while keeping inflatables fully functional and ready for use anytime, anywhere. Number 18. Tuola Store Travel Electric Kettle Portable Mini. The Tuola Portable Mini Electric Kettle is perfect for travelers, dorm rooms, and offices. With fast boiling, auto shutoff, and compact design, it's ideal for making tea, coffee, or instant meals on the go. Lightweight and durable, it fits easily in luggage or backpacks. Men and women who enjoy hot beverages while traveling will appreciate the convenience, safety features, and portability of this kettle. A simple yet essential tool for maintaining comfort and convenience wherever you go. Number 19. Amos Q-Pill Dispenser. The Amos Q-Pill Dispenser keeps daily vitamins and medications organized with style and ease. Multiple compartments allow sorting by days or times, ensuring no doses are missed. Compact and portable, it fits in purses, backpacks, or travel bags, making it perfect for frequent travelers or busy individuals. Men and women will enjoy its practical design, convenience, and fun aesthetic. Affordable, durable, and functional, it's a smart solution for maintaining health routines while traveling or at home. Number 20. Dual-Room MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder. The Dual-Room MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder. The Dual-Room MagSafe Airplane Phone Holder keeps your device secure and accessible on flights. Compatible with MagSafe-enabled phones, it attaches easily to airplane tray tables or headrests. Adjustable angles allow hands-free viewing for movies, video calls, or work during travel. Lightweight, compact, and durable. It's perfect for frequent flyers and digital nomads. Men and women who want convenient, organized phone access while flying will appreciate this holder's practicality, stability, and portability for a more comfortable travel experience. That wraps up our list of 20 amazing travel gadgets on Amazon, designed to make every trip easier, more comfortable, and stress-free. From portable organizers to smart accessories, these travel essentials are perfect for frequent flyers and vacation lovers alike. Subscribe for more top Amazon finds.